just took a short from this line from the new extra levels indicator. It was yesterday's close. I can see that from the regular key levels indicator on my 60-minute chart. Back here, this solid orange line. This is from yesterday. However, if I only had a smaller time frame up, I wouldn't know that that level was there. But with the new extra levels indicator, I've got those levels extending all the way to the right, as well as any value area high or value area low within the amount of days loaded on the chart. And also this composite 3-day VWAP, this blue dashed line. You can see how well that line's been respected just in the last hour. Got a little short right off of this level, grabbed 5 or 6 points. We dropped down about 8. Also had some washout signals and some divergence on the 5-minute. I just got into a short up here. We had a bunch of extra levels on the chart here. Some previous day value area high, low, yesterday open. We also had some washout signals building up on the 5-minute, and delta was steadily decreasing. Added another 5 points to the pile. I've been multitasking, but we just had a really nice drop here. Had an imbalance signal up here. Nothing but delta diamonds to the downside on this epic move all the way down to S1. We bounced right off of S1 up over 20 points. Had a washout signal down here on the 5-minute. Also had an imbalance signal to the downside on this move down. I just took a short. We pulled right up to yesterday's low. Got an imbalance signal to the downside. This is an imbalance signal from the MMT polarity indicator. We had point of control up into the wick. We just popped down 20 points. Maybe I should quit what I'm doing and focus on the charts. We're getting some really nice moves here. Just got a very big imbalance signal to the upside, a 10 and a 4 down here, plus a bunch of extra signals. We got a cumulative delta reversal, delta diamond. We had bullish ADX here. Got a really nice pullback. Really big washout signal here from the polarity indicator on the 5-minute. Huge wick, point of control in the wick. We got a nice push up after that candle. As we are coming down, see delta's drying up. I just grabbed a short up here as we are approaching VWAP. Got some Chaikin divergence up here. Big old cluster of key levels right here. We got the midnight level. We got the 3-day VWAP from the new extra levels indicator. This blue dash line here. Just wicked right off of that. Just pulled back over 10 points. I just signed in for the FOMC announcement. Did not take any trades, just looking at the charts here. We had a triple imbalance signal building up here on the 5-minute for a nice push up. And we had some double divergence, point of control in the wick, a little pullback. Then another nice few imbalance signals to the upside, washout signal to the downside, imbalance signal to the downside. We just had a nice pullback. We had 2 imbalance signals to the downside up here and some delta diamonds. Came right up to this midnight level. Got a heavy rejection there. We also had some single bar divergence up in this candle. Broke lower. We just pulled back to point of control. We had green Heiken Ashy background on the way up. Red Heiken Ashy background on the way down. The charts have been running absolutely perfectly, even in the heavier volatility. I gotta stop multitasking, missing some good trade opportunities. Got a really strong imbalance signal to the upside down here with a 10 and a 2. Got single bar divergence, point of control in the wick. We broke above the high of this candle. Nice little push higher. Also had an imbalance signal on the 5-minute forum interbar quite some time ago. Point of control down in the wick. Just been sailing up here. We just had a pretty big washout signal, a 5 washout signal. Right up here as we were at VWAP. Also a big imbalance signal. We got a 10 on the imbalance. Got point of control up into the wick. Started getting bearish ADX and bearish cumulative delta outline. Delta steadily dropping. Getting a nice move lower. Nice VWAP rejection. I have not taken any trades this afternoon. I've been busy with some other work. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. There are links to all the MMT indicators in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the best. Thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.